From the Edge by HissanAK. In the alleys of the mind, shadows gather like forgotten whispers, murmuring the unsaid and the unthinkable. The clocks are liars, ticking away the hours we've never lived. As the sun roams, the ticking shadows of the future becomes present and then fade away into the past. We're trapped in a room with no doors, writing letters to the void, hoping someone, anyone, will hear the scratch of our pen. Like a raven perched on the shoulder of despair, the weight of our words crushes us. We drink to forget, but the hangover is just the beginning. The pages of our lives are torn, dog-eared and stained, a mess of scribbled hopes and crossed-out dreams. And yet, it's in this gutter of existence that we find a strange, flickering light. The cracks in the walls let in the darkness, and in that darkness, we glimpse the outline of our true selves. We're the madmen writing in the margins, the ones who've lost everything except the need to create. We're the sum of our addictions, our regrets, and our defiant yawps into the void. In this chaos, there's a brutal honesty. We are not victims. We're the ones holding the knife. We are the architects of our own gallows, the poets of our own decay. The words are the wound, and the words are the bandage. You are the ink that's spilled, the ash that's fallen, the scream that's never heard. Pause, breathe, and let the darkness claim you. Not as a thing of beauty, but as a thing of raw, unyielding existence.